guys, welcome back to my channel, and the video for today is we're gonna do unboxing. I went to Windsor again. This is my favorite boutique now. So when I went to the mall, I go straight to the Windsor boutique. And happy Wednesday fashion vlog everyone. Come on guys, let's go. And this is the one that I have guys. So I have only one bag, but I think I have a couple of dresses. So come on and let's start because I love this one. And finally guys, I always go there at the end of the month because they have on sale. So now one of the sales lady told me that every the end of the month they have on sale. So this is the one that I get. Look at this, it's so nice and it's a very cute one, and as usual it's a size small. See, and it's a 70 bucks, so it's not bad guys. And this is the one that I like. Look at that. I will try it on later so that you can see how it's look like. And this is the leather one, and I love the details also. So, and also here when you have a big tummy like me, it's like kind of cover. And then let's do for the second one. So this one is before, I remember before when I'm gonna attend the wedding, I'd like to buy this dress, but it's kind of too expensive for me. So, but this time there's have a discount, like a 25% discount. So when I go back there, when I seen that there's have a discount, I grab it and look at this guys. So it's gonna be like this. It's a dresses. And it's so cute. I love the materials. The materials is so good. Look at this silk. And this one is like a crocodile. It's skin crocodile. But it's so nice. And so I'm gonna try it on so that you can see how it's look like. And this is one of my favorite when I go there and try it on some of the dresses. And as usual, this one is size small. And here's the tag of Windsor. But I don't know why. Let's see. Oh, here we come. So this is how the way it's look like, guys. By the way, I love it. So look at that. That's cool. And I partner my Chanel boat. My Chanel clutch bag. I love it guys. So for $70, this is cool. So this is how the wigs look like guys. I love it. I wish I buy this when I go to the wedding. But this one I can wear it soon. I love how the wigs look like. It's a little bit longer. And I think I can handle it.
Picture time.
By the way guys, every Wednesday I promote my YouTube channel. Monday is about food and restaurant. Wednesday is unboxing, shopping and collection in my closet. Friday is about the travel, adventures, places we've been, hotels and restaurant. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you liked my video. See you soon.